welcome back. We have a new fun weekend pack opening. So we're going to do a Premiere, a Hoth Cloud City, and a Reflections 3. The big one. All right. So let's get started. So as of right now, looking at the comments, it looks like Hoth is in the win for the box opening on May the 4th. So great job to you guys who voted for Hoth. I agree. I do think that Hoth would be the most fun to open. Definitely the most interesting. The most interesting cards that we can pull. So we'll see if that holds. There's a musician. And focus here. How do we get into this mess? Wrong turn. Ion cannon. Tactical recall. Oh, R2, almost R2-D2. A Wolfman, that's a little weird. Some dude we've seen a million times. Ah, Old Ben. That can be a useful card. Bring back one of your characters after they die. Rebel Guard. TIE Scout. Huh. It's kind of a cool card. Counter Assault. Blaster Rifle. Alright. Moss Eisley and an Omnibox with some little spots on it. I have no idea what the rare was. That's a bit disappointing, but we will march on. And into Hoth. White border Hoth, my favorite. Just look at how these white border cards just pop in terms of the Hoth aesthetics. All of the white in the background pictures, especially for the light side cards. Not necessarily for dark side. Dark side probably looks better in the black border, but yeah, I mean, just look at that. It looks so much better than a black border in terms of these light side cards, in my opinion. Everyone has their own opinions about things like that. So, Crash Landing, Echo Corridor. Oh, Medium Transport. That's cool. High Anxiety. Oh, interesting. That's a Leia picture on a dark side card. Okay. Kind of pointless, but that's all right. Let's go to Cloud City. I would still like to get a Boba Fett. Or Slave One. Or Captain Han. I think Captain Han is a Cloud City card. So. Incinerator. As Good as Gone. Somersault. We've seen that card a million times. Imperial Decree. Oh, yeah. Great card. Hero of 1,000 Devices. That's actually kind of a cool card. Deploy on your droid. During your deploy phase, may use one force to search your reserve deck. Take a device that deploys on that droid into hand. And you can forfeit devices. Okay. R2's a really great droid, arguably the best in the whole set, so yeah, that might actually be pretty useful. Mostly armless. Oh gosh, that's like morbid, but also a pretty good card. I do remember using this card in a deck, like a dual deck when Cloud City came out, and yeah, pretty funny. So, all right, well, we don't have any hits yet. If we get something out of here, we're justified. And if we don't, I probably won't even post this video. So let's see. Reflections 3. All right. Interesting thing about Reflections 3. This is the only Reflections that has Episode 1 cards. I do love opening up Reflections too for that Japanese slot, but also just the great cards, the Emperor, the Lord Vader, Luke Skywalker, Jedi Knight. But Reflections 3, there's something to be said for that. All of the ultra rares are episode 1 cards. And you can only get episode 1 cards out of these packs. So, at one point I think we got a main character in this Premiere slot, which was kind of weird. You don't normally see that, but we will get a foil. What will our foil be? I would love to see Destroyer Droid, any ultra rare, Padme's, Queen Padme, Starship, I think is a foil that can come in this set. They don't have that one. There's also some great premium cards from here that I need, including Blizzard 4 and Boba Fett. Oh, we have a Rebel. All right, what is that Rebel? Oh, it's Leia as a prisoner. Well, that's disappointing. Oh well. Still a main character. That's all right. All right. Some Cloud City. There we go. Look at that. A second main character, Qui-Gon Jinn. Oh, yeah. Oh, and we got a shield. Awesome. I love shields. Okay. Even though I don't use them in terms of play, but they're just cool cards. And I love that color scheme for the dark side shields. Very cool. No match for a Sith. I don't think I have that one, so that's cool. And some Dagobah and random cards. Well, I guess I'll say that counts as something of a hit. And yeah, well, thanks for watching.